Shawna here with another Stitch Fix unboxing. Before I start today, I know that many of you know that I live in Seattle and we are dealing with the COVID-19 virus going around, and we're currently all happy and healthy and just practicing social distancing. My kids are out of school until the end of April. I work from home. It's a full house. Our patients are gonna run thin in a hurry. We're stocked up on necessities and we're not going anywhere. And it's becoming really easy because nothing's open. Everybody's staying home and it's hard, but we're trying to look on the bright side that we're spending some good family time. And I always say how busy I am. I have no time for this, I have no time for that. And guess what? Now I have time for all of those things now that everything's been canceled. So I'm putting out lots of videos and I'm going to look forward to spending some good quality time with my family. I also probably want to kill them because I'm not that patient and they're kids. So the reason I bring that up is because I had requested a resort box for a vacation to Mexico that we had scheduled. We had to cancel it. We don't know what's gonna happen. It was in a month, but it was better to cancel, and then we could always rebook if things are going well, than to kind of risk losing money and things like that. So it's gonna be a little bit sad because I asked for resort stuff and I don't need it right now, but it's probably just postponing. But we are all healthy and happy, and I just recommend if you are not in a place that is getting impacted by this yet, it's coming. Stock up on supplies, get some activities for your kids, and just start social distancing. Try and keep away from other people and groups, and let's all just do our part to try and stop this as quickly as possible, the spread of it. All right, enough of that stuff. Okay, well, so let me get to my box. We'll see what I got. Okay, the envelope to send things back. It looks like I got some shoes. I got my style card and my invoice. Let me see if my stylist is the same. It's been Alicia and is. I'll go over that in a moment. Let's look at the bundle. It's a little bundle. Ooh, there's lots of colors in there. Oh, I almost dropped it. Lots of colors in there. Okay, that looks interesting. Let's look at the shoes first. Okay, sandals. They're like a canvas material with like a neat weaved design there. That's cute. I'll have to try it on. I kind of have terrible feet, but Toms are usually comfortable, so those could be fun. All right, I don't have any sandals like that for sure. Okay, and we'll check the price. All right, let me open my bundle. The first thing I see are some denim shorts, and they are by Democracy. Ooh, and they have that like stretchy waistband that reminds me of maternity pants, but it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. It's so comfortable and lovely. Okay, these could be super cute on. I've never tried on Democracy, but I've heard people really like it. The Absolution. Wait a minute, maybe I do have some Democracy. That rings a bell. Who knows? We'll try them on, see what we think. Okay, the next thing is, it looks like a dress. So it's a snake print, blue, black, and white. And what's it say on it? I think it's they call it a knit dress by Leota. It's wrinkle free, so it's good for travel. It's kind of this polyester material that I don't always love, just because I feel like you sweat in it and then it gets stinky. I don't know, maybe other people don't. But it's a cute dress, so I'll try it on, and things depend how it looks and the price. Okay. Next is, ooh, this looks like a maxi dress. Okay. So we have this purple maxi dress, and we'll just have to see how it looks. I don't always love this kind of top. I tend to have some nice broad shoulders, which I like, but these make them look quite masculine, and I could be wrong about that. Also, it has this waist that's kind of an at-waist elastic band, and when you have a large chest, that tends to look kind of empire and then maternity. So we'll just have to try it on and see how things fall on my particular body, but it's amazingly soft. And then the last thing, this is by Loveappella. Oh, and it's just like a fun, it looks floral, but it's kind of a fun tie-dye tank, and tie-dye is like all the rage right now. So I'll have to just try, it's a little bright for me, but it could be adorable, so I'll just try it on. And also things depend on the price. I mean, I think this is a pretty fun resort box. We'll see how everything looks on. All right, I'll go try on the first thing and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the first outfit, and the tank is a little tight under my arms here, so if I wanted to get it, I would definitely size up. But what do you think of the style? I don't think it's me. It's really soft, it's really loose and flowy, so if you're someone who likes to have a little bit more room here, this is a great cut. But I just don't think it's my style. I don't love all the colors. I don't love all the colors. It's soft and the cut's nice, but the pattern and the colors are just not me, I don't think. Okay, so tell me what you think of the shorts. The length is good, the wash is good. The roll, what do you think? Let me sit back. Even the distressing is good. They're a little bit long, which, I mean, not too long though. I definitely like them. All right, let me know what you think about these. And it kind of depends on the price too. All right, let me go try on the next thing. Okay, so this dress is way cuter than I thought it would be. Look at how cute it is. The cut of it is super kind of fun and flowy up here. The skirt is kind of fitted. It's got kind of a faux wrap thing going on here. The snake skin is fun and current. Let me know, what do you think of this? I feel like it could go over a swimsuit and go to the beach, or it could be put on with heels and go out. Not that I go out, but in theory, I just think it's fun. What do you think? Fun, flattering, different, way better than I thought. And even though I don't love this fabric, if it's a good price, I would totally get this. This is really, really fun, and I don't have anything like it. And it could be very resort wear if we ever go. So I think this is fun. Let me know what you think though. Oh, I put the shoes on too. You're not gonna be able to see them, but they're a nude canvas and they'll go with everything. They're Toms, so they're really comfortable. They're very cute. Yeah, I like them. I like the shoes too. It'll depend a bit on the price because I have, you know, some brown sandals, but I don't have anything like this. So we will see. All right, let me go try on the last thing. I'll be right back. Okay, I don't even know why I try to speculate ahead because I'm always wrong. Because I think this dress looks cute. I think the waist is fine. I wish it was a little bit lower, but it's not bad. I put it on with like a racer back bra and just to see if how much would show. And yeah, I think you'd have to go full, I mean, that's okay, but you'd have to go strapless bra. It's so soft and lovely. And yeah, this cut isn't my favorite, but my husband says I have like Sarah Connor arms, which I think is like a nerdy Terminator reference. That's like, that's a good thing. So, okay. Sarah O'Connor? Sarah Connor? I don't know. He's a nerd. Okay, so no pockets, but it's really fun. What do you think of the floral pattern? Is it too much? Or is it good? Yeah, the length is good. It's a fun summer dress. It's so, so soft. I don't know. What do you think about this? Man, why are they making it hard to make a decision? All right, I think it's gonna come down to prices. So let me go change and we'll review the prices. Be right back. Okay, it's time to look at the prices because they matter. Okay, so the first thing is the purple floral dress by French Grey. And I got it in a large and it's 58 bucks. That's a really good price, I think. 58 bucks, I'm into it. That's fun. Okay, so the Loveappella swing knit top is 44. I didn't love it. I mean, it's cute and I think it'd be great on lots of people, but it wasn't me. So that's a no. And I think 44 is a bit much for a tank top. So just talking value here. Okay, the Leota knit dress. Oh man, of course. I always love the most expensive thing. It's 88 bucks. Was it worth 88 bucks? It's really cute. I really liked it. I probably liked it the best out of everything. Oh, okay, 88, of course. Okay, the Toms are 59. That's not too bad. And they're cute and comfortable. Yeah, what are they called? I put all the notes about what I got in the description below. So take a look there if you want to request it in your box. Also, I put my referral code down there, so if you want to give Stitch Fix a try. Okay, the last thing is the Democracy shorts, and they're 58. I don't think that's a bad price. What do you think? 58? Should I get them? How do you feel about denim shorts in general? Love them, hate them. People tend to feel quite strongly about denim shorts, I've discovered. I'm kind of on the fence about them. Sometimes I feel like I need to wear some. All right, so the total for the box is $307 with 25% off if I got everything. That'd be minus $76.75. Subtract my styling fee. If I got everything, it'd be $210. It's actually not bad. And I kind of really liked everything. Ooh, is it a 5 for 5? Or should I just get like one thing? Oh, all right. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe, hitting the bell so you get notifications whenever I post new videos. Again, my referral code's down below if you want to give Stitch Fix a try. All right, have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.